Yo, back to the series with the questions. My auntie, the auntie, asked us, when you going to see La Familia back in Australia? I don't know. I wish to come to next time to Australia whenever we come together with Winnie. I was 3 times in Australia. As you know, or you don't know, some of you guys, I was in Perth. That's actually videos on YouTube. Shout out to my mate Mick, who asked me also silly question, but on the next video. So I was in Perth 2 times actually before pandemic also, and I was before pandemic also in Sydney and where else? Adelaide, in Australia. So I was 3 times in general. 2 times before pandemic, once 2 years ago, 3 years ago, something like that. And I wish to come to Australia again, but with Winnie. So let's see. Not that easy though to get any visa or any stuff like this on. To be honest, but generally speaking, you never know. Yeah. Anyways, how you guys doing? Hope so you doing alright. Yeah, that's it. What I gonna tell you guys. Also, before I decide to go to Poland, actually, whenever you're gonna watch this video, it's exactly when I came to Poland 2 years ago. It's already 2 years though. Winnie joined me 2 months after that, 3 months after that. Just literally in November 2 years ago, I used to plan to go to Melbourne, making the YouTube videos. I even got an invitation from one of our viewers, lovely viewers, who we met several times in Bali. But unfortunately, I postponed this and I go to Poland. So yeah, but anyways, many of you guys, whenever I was in Perth last time, you met me. Actually, you showed me around. From some of you, I got some even little gifts and everything. So I really do appreciate that, and I believe definitely if I go back to this side of the world, this part of the world, and we go together to Australia, we will make actually quite a lot of views. So that will be cool. And in this occasion and this opportunity, if this will ever happen, but you never say never, and you have to also believe. One day we're gonna make it. So of course, in this, if this gonna happen, we're gonna see you guys wherever you are. I mean, I know where you are, but I don't want to say that because that's your privacy. So yeah, see you there one day. See ya.